Hey, if you plan to keep your car for more than 5 years, then this video might save you a lot of money because modern cars fail for reasons that have nothing to do with maintenance. Most people believe that if you service your car on time, change oil, drive carefully, it should last forever. But modern cars don't fail the way old cars used to, and that's the problem. Old cars fail mechanically, new cars fail systematically, and systems don't fail at once. They fail slowly, expensively, and unpredictably. Let me explain why every modern car's petrol, diesel, or electric starts becoming a liability after 5 years. Modern cars are no longer machines, they are networks. Your engine depends on sensors, sensors depend on software, software depends on clean signal, and signal depends on wiring. Wiring depends on insulation. If one weak link degrades, the entire system starts misbehaving. And here is the engineering truth no browser tells you. Most of the components are designed to last just beyond warranty, not because manufacturers are evil, but because complexity has a cost. To meet modern emissions and efficiency rules, cars now operate much closer to their physical limits. Higher compression, higher temperatures, thinner oils, tighter tolerance. This works beautifully when the car is new, but as components age even slightly, the margin disappears. That's why a car can feel fine for years and suddenly starts throwing warnings, limp modes, or random faults. Open an older car and compare it to a modern one. Metal has been replaced by plastic, rubber has been replaced by composites, mechanical linkages replaced by electronic actuators. These materials save weight and fuel, but heat, vibration, and time doesn't care about fuel economy. 5 summers, 5 monsoons, thousands of heat cycles. That's when degradation begins invisibly. Here is something most buyers don't realize. Cars now is like smartphones, but without the upgrade cycle. Software updates stop, compatibility breaks, sensors drift out of calibration, and unlike a phone, you can't just replace the whole system cheaply. This is why small issues in modern cars often lead to a huge repair bills. If you're watching this thinking, but my car is running perfectly, that's exactly how system failure works. Nothing feels wrong until multiple small tolerances stack up. That's why modern cars don't gradually age, they suddenly become problematic. This doesn't mean modern cars are bad. They are safe, faster, more efficient, but they are not designed for decades to ownership anymore. They are designed for optimal performance during the first ownership cycle. This isn't opinion, this is engineering trade off. Every gain in efficiency, emissions, and features comes with a cost, usually paid later. If you want to understand cars beyond marketing, beyond brochures, and before expensive regret, subscribe. I break down cars from an engineering perspective so buyers know what they are actually getting into. Thank you.